Just look at it. You got a little dust on your shoulder right there.
Why are you videotaping me? I know I make all your money, but...
You got a little dust right
all
there.
your
Just wipe it off.
YouTube. All your YouTube.
Welcome back. We gotta go work on the skidder here real quick. The skidder's broke down, but somebody made a comment, said, John, can you pick up that Mountain Dew bottle with your grapple? The only problem is this is a bypass grapple. Okay, I'll show you what I mean here in a second. Just getting her in the action here. I'll show you what I mean. So you get the grapple up here like so, and it like bypasses, right? So it's gonna be a little tricky. I don't know if I can do it. But I haven't had any practice. The Mountain Dew bottle's still right there where it's been all weekend. So, we lost a little bit of snow. Let me get you straightened up here. Here we go. Oh, look at how bad this is. It's gonna line up right on that. It's gonna line up right on that bar. Let me see if I can get a different angle here somehow. Okay. Maybe there we can get it. We'll zoom up a little bit here. Oh, that's out. Okay, here we go. See if I can pick it up. It's going to be difficult. So we got just a quick minute. No practice. This is just all action. Oh. It's going to be really difficult. Right there, right there. Ah! Ah! Guys, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We picked her up. Took us a second, but we did it like a boss. Thanks for watching. Just keep rolling. No, we gotta go work on skidders now. We got all kinds of problems. Woo! It's like crazy view. We got all kinds of problems. We are completely shut down right now. Both skidders are broke down. We got lifter problems, I think, on that other motor. I'm not sure. On the Caterpillar's janked up, so we have this thing down, shut her off, and let's go see what's wrong with the cat, because the John Deere is down, the cat's down. We don't have nothing to fix anything. I don't know. What do you think he's going to tell him right now? We just got the skidder fixed. There was a hose blown in the cab. It wasn't too exciting. But now we got a bunch of trucks to load. The skidder's down for the count. It's got some troubles. Now we can go back to work. Everything's just shut down quiet. That's a wrap, folks. All our hopes in the old John Deere. Slow go. Slow, 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 slow go. Log pile's almost empty. You got a bunch out of here today. You can come tomorrow, clean her up. Hopefully we can get this job cleaned up tomorrow and get out of here. Kind of the idea. But we're going to need to get a skidder fixed. There's someone at the shop that's getting some work done to it. So we'll see what happens. Everyone's wanting a chipper update. We'll get that too. But yeah, this chipper might go to the shop and get some work done to it. We'll see. We'll see what happens, but Serco's just cutting logs like crazy. A few big popples today, but that was about it. Kind of non-eventful, oh, except for the one engine's screwed up in the cat. And the other skidder broke down, so it's like